In this video, we will be discussing how to create articles within the knowledge base. But before we dive into that, I'd like to show you a little bit of magic. If we go ahead and click on the info button right here, we are going to see detailed information regarding how your manager or your AI agent is currently communicating with your client. We can clearly see that for these test messages, generally speaking, the AI agent is performing quite well. However, there is still some room for improvement, specifically when it comes to the area of problem solving. Okay? I'll be explaining analytics and all of its functions in some upcoming videos. For now, we're going to move on to discussing how to create a knowledge base inside of Airi.chat. Now we are going to move over to the left-hand side panel and then we click on knowledge base, provided that you are currently using the English interface. However, if you have the Russian interface, the tab will be titled Baza Znani instead of that. I will switch the language over to Russian right now so that it is much more convenient for you to process all of the information provided. And now let us go ahead and start by creating a brand new article together. We're creating a blank canvas here, much like you'd find in Notion. All the essential tools needed for crafting a really beautiful article are readily available to us. I already had a pre-prepared draft, so I simply went ahead and pasted it in. Now I'll create a suitable title for my article, then copy it into the appropriate field. WhatsApp for business in Airi.chat. Why does your brand need it? Alright, I'm deleting it, and now I will gradually edit the text to make it readable and user-friendly for our users. I will adjust the dimensions using the tools built into Airi.chat. We have a diverse set of tools that will help create a high-quality knowledge base for your clients. It's not merely about the dimensions. You can edit fonts, make text italic or bold, and so on. We've also inserted an image. You can embed various links to other sources, adjust the text width, and even add numbering. You can also easily insert tables. Basically, we have everything that's needed to successfully create a high-quality knowledge base. Next, we will need to publish the article. We have two access options. The article remains a knowledge base for artificial intelligence and your employees, or it becomes publicly available for every user. Everyone who sees this link on the internet can read the article about your company. I'm sharing this with everyone. Machine listen, pause. I'm publishing an article. Pause, and now we'll see if it works. Pause, I've just published the article. Pause, I'm going to copy the link. Pause, then I'll open an incognito window. Pause, and in that mode, we'll verify if our article actually opens. Pause, wow. Pause, it loaded and We'll now test how the AI answers a client's query. We must enable the bot within the client's dialog. The client asks about WhatsApp integration, its available features. The AI prepares the answer. The answer should appear within 30 seconds. We await the answer. The answer is built from the knowledge base.
So this is the answer that we have obtained. On the user interface, it looks like this, but on the customer's phone, it will appear quite differently. We can clearly see that everything is described here in the most comprehensive detail, and there's even a link attached. When viewed on the client's mobile phone, the link opens up and the entire content appears very clearly readable. 你猜所 Xiaomi